In this video, I'm going to be teaching how to make a simple freeze frame transition or cutout effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have a video on how to do the cutout. So to speed up the process, I've already done the cutout. And we're going to move straight into the transition. So this is where our transition is going to be taking place. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the Effects tab and I'm going to look for the Transform effect. We're going to drag the Transform effect onto our cutout. Now we're going to move to the Effect Controls tab. We're going to scroll down. We're going to look for the Transform effect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to keyframe our position. And what I want you to do is I want him to come from the right side. So I'm going to move him out of the frame like so. We're going to go to the end, somewhere here. I'm going to bring the keyframe back and I'm going to reset it to the original position like so. So to make the effect smoother, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this keyframe and I'm going to choose Ease In. I'm going to right click on this keyframe and I'm going to choose Ease Out. You can go more with the effect, you can do a lot of stuff with it too. Maybe bring this up a bit like so. Now we're going to go to this section, I'm going to uncheck this composition shutter. And the shutter angle, we're going to add about 180. But it doesn't look cool, it looks too slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the keyframes closer. That's what we're talking about. So this is what I have. Boom. So to make this more interesting, we're going to add an adjustment layer to this section. We're going to add a shake effect. Okay, I'm going to bring this here. We're going to stretch. We're going to look for the Gaussian blur effect. We're going to drag and drop it on top of our clip. Now we're going to go here. I'm going to add a keyframe. Let's set the blur length to about 70. Now let's move 1, 2, 3. Add a keyframe and reset it. Let's go back to the blur. 1, 2, 3. Add another keyframe and reset it. I'm going to change the blur dimensions to horizontal. Now you can see what we're doing here. You see that shake effect. So now let's enable this part. So that's the effect. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.